Federal Reserve to act forthrightly, strongly until inflation job is done. Powell says the U.S. central bank is expected to raise its benchmark interest rate by another 75 basis points this month. U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell made his urgent message strong and clear about the central bank's mission to quickly bring down inflation. It is very much our view, and my view, that we need to act now, forthrightly, strongly, as we have been doing, Powell said during a question-and-answer session at the Washington, D.C.-based Cato Institute. His remarks were made Thursday, the same day the European Central Bank, ECB, hiked its benchmark interest rate by 75 basis points, the largest such move in its history. Amid all the news, Bitcoin, BTC, remains near multi-year lows, currently trading at $19,200. In the U.S. the clock is ticking on inflation, forcing the Fed to act quickly, Powell said. The Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, the Fed's rate-setting body, next meets September 2020 to 2021 and, following a string of hawkish remarks over the past couple of weeks, is widely expected to lift its benchmark Fed funds rate by another 75 basis points. The longer inflation remains well above target, the greater the risk the public does begin to see higher inflation as the norm, Powell said. As with his speech at the Fed's annual economic symposium in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, last week, Powell took note of the several failed attempts by the 1970s Fed to cool inflation. Then Chairman Paul Volcker finally took action. To follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.